Okay, hi guys. Today I'm going to show you a project that I will build today. And this is electronics episode 2. And it's on videos group 1, video 8. And of course we're going to do the alarm circuit today. And we have the base grid here. First we need the base grid, then what we need to do is find the pieces that go with the project. So first let's do the alarm IC, or the alarm integrated circuit. So we always use the main thing first in here. So the alarm integrated circuit. Well, can you see a pieces? No, it's upside down for the base grid, but let me put it. Okay, so it should be in C3 to D3. It should be in C3 to D3. It's a cute base grid, right? Next, we're going to have a speaker from B4 to D4. Oh, it should be standing and it should be like this. It should be from B4 to D4. Okay, there we go. Now the speaker's standing in it. Oh, it's a little wobbly there. Now what I'm going to do is, it's B1. So it's the B1, which is the battery. And let me put it through E5 to passing E6. Okay, then what passing means is that it's already so past that it almost reached the next number, which is the 7. But let's continue. And then next we have the 5. We have the 5 snap wire, which is a wire circuit. And we put it to A5 to A... No, he put it to A1 to A5. Let me just press it. There you go. Now, what are we going to do? So we have the slide switch, which is part of level 2. We put it into A5 to C5. But wait a second. Oh, I know now. Oh, this was just a mistake for my battery circuits. So that means that I made a mistake and I should put it to C5 to passing C6. Okay, so we're going to just press it. C6 to E6. It should be from C5 to C6, E5 to E6 passing. Then next we're going to add this light switch, and let's see if we can connect it. Oh, we can still connect it, right? Yeah, that's a fun trick to do, right? Now let's go back to the number 1, and we're going to do the 4 snap wire, which goes on E1 to E4. And what are we going to do next? Next, we're going to have the two snap wires, and one of them is going to be on this side. So one of them are going to be on this side of the 4 snap wire. So this one goes to D1 to E1. So let's just press it right here. And these are the numbered wires, so you can use it as any direction you want. Next, we're going to have the other 2 snap wire right over here. And we're going to put it right in the right side of the 4 snap wire. So it goes to So it goes to 4E to 5E. Or E4 to E5. Next, we're going to do something which is here. Okay, so we're going to use another 2-snap wire. We're always using 2-snap wires in here. So this time, for this 2-snap wire, we are going to put it on. This time, we're going to put this 2-snap wire in D3 to D4. Yeah, and it's reflecting from the alarm integrated circuit to the speaker, I think. Fine. So we're going to do this one at the right side of the speaker, which is from A4 to B4. So let's press it. Oh, there we go. Now that's good. So you can't see that where I pressed, but let me show you. That's where I pressed it. Oh, we're not done yet. We still have the 3-snap wire over here, and we need to put it from A2 to C2. See, I'm teaching you how. I think it's all done, but let me check. Oh, I think I'm done. Let's put on the batteries into the battery circuit, or B1, or the B1. Okay, then next let's turn on the slide switch on and see what happens. So see, that is very loud. That is very loud. Is it a great project? Let's do it again. You can use it for a police siren, or if you want 911 to come, or if the fire is up, or someone's doing bad things right here, you can do that project and use the alarm sound like that. That is very loud. Now let me show you the batteries here. So this is the batteries. Oh, these are the batteries. So this is batteries. Let Daddy take off the batteries here. But now this is just the end. But let me show you how does it work. So if you didn't listen to the instructions, let me show you at the book. Thank you to the people who viewed our channel and subscribed. Okay, guys, this is the end. See you at electronics episode 3 in videos group 1, video 9. Bye-bye.